How to add your own sounds into Discord server soundboard. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can exactly upload your own sound into your Discord server soundboard. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to enter any types of channel. Now, once you're here, all I have to do next is to click on the channel's name with the arrow down and then choose on server settings. Now, once you're on server settings at your left side, you simply choose on soundboard under expression. So as you can see, I haven't set up any or uploaded any types of sounds on my Discord soundboard yet, but if you would like to upload your own, then simply click this option here that says upload sound. Now, once you click this, it will automatically pull up your soundboard card right here and then click on browse so that your file management or your file manager will pull up. Choose and locate the MP3 file or any type of sound that you prefer, and take note that it needs to be um, below 5 seconds and not going to be exceeding 5. Name the sound and then input any type of emoji that you prefer and choose on upload. And that's it. That's how you add your own sounds into your Discord server soundboard.